It's 6 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona, and it's time to ride. Come on. I like to stop at Sundance Park, ponder this and that, figure out what I'm going to do next. And today I think I want to do some higher speed riding on the bike lanes. The trike is in great shape, and so am I. I've got a new flag. It's a quiet Sunday morning, so let's go into the bike lanes and put on some speed. Okay, here we go. This is nice. They just recently paved this area. It's just as smooth as can be. I'm going to see how fast I can go, within reason. I don't have a speedometer on the trike, but I can get a pretty good feel about how fast I'm going. Normally on the sidewalks, I'm going about 5 miles an hour, but I figure I'm doing at least 10. For reference, an ordinary bicycle goes a little over 10 miles an hour, and the high-speed bikes you see can go as fast as 25, maybe even more. I'm up in 9th gear, which is as high as I've gone in a long time. But this trike has 18 gears, so I've got a lot left to do if I could do it, but not today. This is the Phoenix, Arizona area, so it's fairly flat. There's a tiny, tiny bit of a grade going north, but not so much that you really notice it. Okay, we're coming up to a major intersection up here, and this is where it gets a bit tricky. And it's a shared space. You can see the cars need to get into the right turn lane by crossing the bike lane, and you need to watch out for them, and they need to watch out for you. It's perfectly legal to ride a bicycle on the sidewalks here, and that's what I usually do. But it's Sunday morning, nice and quiet, and I'm trying this out. It's nice and smooth, but when those cars go by, they are right next to you, and wow, I have a new appreciation for motorcyclists. I'm noticing that a lot of people are moving from the right-hand lane to the left-hand lane when they see me, and I appreciate it and give them a wave. We're passing Sweetwater Avenue right now, headed north towards Thunderbird Road. This is nice. I feel my heart beating a little bit, and I'm breathing hard, and this is good exercise now. almost at Thunderbird Road, so I'm going to stop in at the Walmart Neighborhood Market. Got my list in my pocket. I'll slow down a bit. This store was recently remodeled just for me. I love stopping here. Hey, there's my friend Bobby. I'll stop and say hello, then we'll go inside. I enjoyed riding the bike lanes, and I want to try it again. Thanks for coming along with me. See you next time.